summons ought to be served in person. Summons, the essence of a summon, the reasons why summons are issued, they can be issued by an investigating office or a department, or even summons can be issued by the court. The National Police Service is allowed by National Police Service Act, Section 52. It can summon anyone to appear before it for investigative purposes. But that does not defeat the procedure, the substantive and the formal procedural provisions as to how summons are to be drafted and how they are to be served. To this extent, we have not seen a summons served upon our client. The default to honor summons, the court can issue warrants of arrest, or they can even issue a proclamation. What we are telling the world is, to this extent, we've not received any summons, neither has our client informed us of having received any summons. So to the extent the criminal procedure, we have not seen any procedure followed. We cannot preempt investigation being done by the relevant and appropriate bodies. The court indeed pointed as such. The reasons why we in court, we are asking the procedures to be followed. We are not in any way faulting or overlooking or overstepping their mandate. Investigation is to be done. Summons are to be served upon the individuals so intended in the right way.